Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making some lettuce wraps. We have some cabbage here. You need cabbage, not regular lettuce, because the lettuce is too small and it falls apart. The cabbage is like tortilla sized. You just unravel it. I'll show you later in the video. We have some yellow bell peppers, some avocado, some tomatoes, and some sweet yellow onion, and some green bell peppers. And I have here ground turkey. Do not get beef, get ground turkey because it has 80% lean and 20% fat, which is so good. Okay, so I'm gonna chop all these up. So now I have my bell peppers and my onions cut up. I'm going to do my tomato and avocado last because they go in last. I'm over here browning my ground turkey. And then when it gets like a little brown, pinkish still, I'm going to add the vegetables. And yeah, I'll show you the cabbage in a minute. So you'll need these kind of seasonings, whatever you like, honestly. I'm going to put Worcester sauce, black pepper, and garlic pepper. But you can put in whatever you think that you like. And then this is how you want the meat. Not too done, but almost. So I'm going to lower the temperature like right there. Oh, my lens is fogging. And then add the seasonings. We like a lot of pepper here. A lot. And then we just want to put like a little squirt of Worcester. What doesn't Worcester like taste good with? It tastes good with like literally everything. And then let's go get our veggies. That looks so good. And we're gonna throw all those bad boys in there. Okay. Nope, don't look at my trash. And mix it up and let these veggies cook too. Okay, now it's the cabbage time. Basically, all you're gonna do is pull it back and hold the stem, pop it off. See? Looks like a tortilla, but a healthy tortilla. And then pop. And then when it gets to the outer, it gets kind of tricky. You're gonna have to peel it back. See? And then you flip it over. Pop. Basically do the same. And then you want to rinse these because everybody's touched E. coli's breaking out right now. I don't need to be dying. I don't need to be killing my husband and shit like that. So don't want to freaking be doing that. Don't want to be caught doing that. Okay, so I'm gonna get 2. He's gonna get 3. And then I'm going to start cutting up the tomato and avocado. Okay, so I added some tomato in these. The meat's done, so we're just going to scoop some and pour. Oh, it's fucking hot. That looks so bomb. Ooh, dropping everywhere. And then on top of that, I'm going to add some cheese. If you have shredded cheese, that's better, but I don't really have any. So I'm just going to add some. One slice can cover 2 of these little wannabe tacos that I'm going to make. It lasts for this one. There we go. And then we add our tomatoes. And avocado. It's looking good, guys. And then to be like a fancy ass bitch, you can put, oh, drop that one. You can put toothpick in it so it holds and it looks like a taco. These, see, look at that. Ooh, looks so delicious.